Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I am going to share few of the best Cydia tweaks that just got dropped yesterday and today, and I downloaded on my device, and I've been checking them and they work just fine. There's no issue, there's no problem, and that's why I decided to go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys so you guys can download on your jailbroken device. It can be iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Now, before we dive into this and before I show you guys, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So we're going to do the same thing we always do. We're going to go to Cydia, and once we go to Cydia, and what I'm going to do, first we're going to let all the sources, all the repos download, and once it's finished downloading, then we go to the next step. There you go. So it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to install and go to recent right there. But you can go to the search tab right there and search for these. And you should have them on your device, on your Cydia. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to install and recent, just like that. And first one we are going to take a look at is called top and down. And it's 11-14. So basically it's comparable with the iOS 11 through 14. And as you guys can see, this is the tweak, top down. So there's a description: small, goofy, and bad tweak. A couple of icons in top of your settings to scroll top and bottom in the page. And as you guys can see, if we open up this picture and if I zoom in, as you guys can see, there's a green arrow pointing down on the left and there's a green arrow pointing up. So that's what you're gonna get. That's what you get with this tweak. And as you guys can see, it is free and iOS 11 through 14. And if I exit out of here, once you download this, go to your setting, and there's no option to configure from. All you have to do, download the tweak, and once you go to your setting, the main page, as you guys can see right there, on the left you will have the arrow pointing down, and then on the right arrow pointing up. So let's say we are on the top of the page right here. So if I click this left arrow pointing down, it will take you all the way in the bottom, as you guys can see right there. So just like that. And if we click on the arrow pointing up on the right side, it will take us all the way on top, just like that. And it's really handy tweak, and it's really light tweak. It doesn't take too much battery, and also I think, in my opinion, it's must have a Cydia tweak on your jailbroken device. So I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next one we are going to talk about is tap tick keys, and this is the tweak, tap tack key. So what this does, basically, tap tack feedback on the keyboard press. So every time, once you download this, let me open up this snapshot, and as you guys can see right there, this is the setting page. Once you download this, and you have a few options to configure from, which I'm going to show you guys. But what this does is basically give you a feedback every time you're using your keyboard and you're typing. Any key you press, you will get the feedback. And as you guys can see, the latest version is 3.2.0 and fixed for Safari on iOS 14.x. So I mean, if you're jailbroken on 14.3, it will work. And as you guys can see, once you download this, exit, go to your setting, go to your tweaks, and we're gonna go find that tweak, and it's going to be right here. We open up, and There you go. So now basically it's telling you to log in. If you already created the account with this developer, you can just log in and get to the setting page, but you really don't have to. It will automatically work. I mean, if I go to my spotlight, and as you guys can see, when I'm pressing the keys, I'm feeling the feedback. So that's all you have to do. If you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. And I think it's really awesome feeling when you get the feedback when you typing. So you guys download this. It's called Tap Take Keys. And the next one we are going to talk about today is this one right here. It's called Backgrounder. Backgrounder is basically a tweak, as you guys can see right there. Let me show you guys the version that is comparable with. It's different language, so I can't, read anything to you guys, but I will show you guys in a setting. So we can look, see it will work on your iOS 13.0 to iOS 14.5, and it just came out, as you guys can see, 4/19/2021. So this is really awesome tweak, and once you download this, all you have to do, go to your setting, go to your tweaks, and it's going to be this one right here. Open up, and this is the interface for this. And as you guys can see, the first option is to enable it. And once you flip the switch, and as you guys can see, no respring is requested for changing that. It take effect whenever the app is launching or reactivated. So you don't need a respring with this. You don't need to do anything. So once you enable it, go to manage app, and as you guys can see, you have the option to turn it on for any of app on your device. So you have two options on the top. So you can go with this, or you can go with the this one right here. So this is really awesome. And also, if we scroll down and home screen, so on the home screen you can disable, or you can do the dot, or you can do the sand glass. So also you can apply this to a dock indicator. As you guys can see, you have the little message right here. You can read what you can do with the dock indicator. And then you got the quick action right here. If you click on this, and you can manage from here, master, able, disable. So then you have once able and disable. You can choose one of this option, and that's it. And for this tweak, the awesome thing is you don't have to restore or respring your device for that to for those changes to take effect, and it will take effect right away when you make any changes to it. So now the next one we are going to talk about is customize BW. Now this one is just dropped today as well. So let it load, and I can show you guys right here. And it is comparable with only iOS 14.0 to 14.5. And as you guys can see, 4/19/2021. And once you download this tweak, and all you have to do, go to your settings and go to tweak section, and it is going to be right here. This is the tweak. Once you open up, this is the interface. And the first option is to enable, and then you got the journal right there, and click on this widget, and then all you have to do, enable it. And once you enable it, and then you can pick the background color, and then next one, enable this one. You can do the hide background, or you can the background color. So let's say if I turn the top one on, the bottom one goes off. If you turn this one on, and you can do the color. So I'm going to show you guys on my device what it look like, and you can do the gradient colors right here. You can turn this on, and the top both going to go off. And with this option, you can have 2 colors for your widget. And this option right here, the last one right here, you can choose which way your color flow, whatever the color you pick. You can do up and down, side by side, diagonal, or this right here. And then you can have a wallpaper, as you guys can see right here, the wallpaper section. Enable this right here, and then click on this choose wallpaper, and it will give you the access to all of your pictures and videos and everything. And you can with this you can do video, or you can do the your favorite photo or any wallpaper you want to place on your widget, background of your widget. This is a really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now the next option is for the battery. As you guys can see right here, you can do the custom shape, and once you click on the shape right here, and you have all these different shapes to choose from. As you guys can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of the options. So this is really awesome for your battery, and also you can do the colors for your battery. You can do gradient color right here. So you have so much option to choose from for your battery icon. And then the next one is graphic right here. If you click on that, you have so many options for that as well. You can set anything. You can set the colors. You can name. And as you guys can see, I put Unc0ver because that's my channel name. And you can do the width. You can do scale, and you can do same thing with this Apple Watch. Then you got the AirPods, and you got the AirPod Pro left, and then you got the right. So each you can do different things, and then also you got the AirPod Pro case, and then you got the headphone, and then you got the Apple Pencil. So you can change anything with this, like you name it. It's really handy tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. It's called Customize BWVN. And now the next one we are going to talk about today is the Chat UI. This one right here, and it's called Chat UI, and it is the comparable with iOS 14.3 is supported. And let me show you guys this is for your message application. And as you guys can see, this right here, and these are the screenshot right here. I don't think we can open it, but you can change anything on your message application. You can change the bubble color. You can make a gradient. You can do so much with this tweak. As you guys can see right here, that explained to you, iOS 13 supported is planned through as of now. Chat UI is entirely untested on iOS 13, but I mean, you can try it. It just came out, as you guys can see that date right there, 4/18/21, and this is really awesome Cydia tweak, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Let me show you guys on my so it's this one right here. Once you download, go to your setting, tweaks, and this is the interface for this. And as you guys can see right here, you enable it, and then you got the configuration for the light mode or dark mode, global option. If we click on global option, you have all these things that you can mess with. There's so much things that you can do with this, and I can't show you guys anything with my message because I don't have the service right here. This device is running on Wi-Fi, so there's no message to show. And I mean, believe me, it's really awesome and really nice. And as you guys can see, this is my battery widget, and as you guys can see, there's a heart shape, and then you got the battery level, and you can customize, and there's a picture in the background. So now these tweaks are must-have tweaks for your jailbroken device, and I highly recommend you guys downloading those and checking it out. And if you guys have any question or anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.